Hello everyone and welcome to the Whimsy Stamps YouTube channel. I'm so glad you could join me. This is Dawn. I'm here to share a quick product reveal video for the Whimsy Stamps Dragon Holiday Peaker stamp set and die. This is a 4x6 stamp set and it has 11 pieces. You get 4 images and 7 sentiments. You get the Naughty List, Merry Christmas, Elfie, No Peeking, Dear Santa, I've Been Goodish, Open on Christmas, and Got Presents. The dies are available to purchase separately. I'm going to stamp the images out so you can see what they look like. As you can see, they stamp out really nice. The images measure anywhere from 2 inches to about 2.5 inches tall, and they measure anywhere from 1.5 inches wide to approximately 2.5 inches wide. I die cut them out so you could see what they look like. I think this set is absolutely adorable and you could just do so much with it. Here's a card I made using the Dragon Holiday Peaker stamp set, and I paired it up with the Slimline Observation die. And I used the HumPUG stamp set for the presents on the card. And then I used the Decorate a Tree die set for the tree. And that will complete my product reveal for today. I hope you enjoyed this release. Don't forget to head on over to the Whimsy Stamps website and check out the entire release that is available today. Also, we would love for you to subscribe to all the Whimsy Stamps social media platforms so you don't miss out on any new releases and great inspirational videos. As always, thanks for stopping by and have yourself a wonderful day.